YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm happy as fuck. Listen, first off, I want to start by thanking, what was his name? Clint from Texas, fellow trucker of ours. I was just fueling up, and he comes and starts asking me about my fuel card, my EFS. We both have the EFS fuel card, and I had no idea how much money I was spending on fuel till I met Clint, like that I didn't need to be, because we have a fuel card, an EFS fuel card. So every time I use it, Ray Logistics gave it to us. Every time I use it, I get a 10-cent discount per gallon every time. And I thought that was a saving, you know what I mean? But I used it only because of that 10 cents, or else I just pay out of my pocket, pay cash. And they deduct it from the settlement at the end of the week. So Clint told me that if I put money on the EFS card, like reload it, then I'll get a crazy discount on fuel instead of just a 10 cents. And I was like, all right, well, I'll try it. What's the discount? He's paying $2.80 some places a gallon. Out of some places I'm paying $4, $3.90, $3.50, $3.70, $4, $4.12. He's paying $2.80. So I was like, bro, I need to know this. And he'd tell me to pass it on. So this is exactly why I'm making this video, because I'm passing it on to my fellow truckers. Listen, set up your PIN on your EFS card. Put your own money, because you're paying for it anyway, whether it's the week after or whatever from your settlement. It's still coming out of your money. So it's just like your money. Might as well just start putting money on the EFS card, like a reloadable credit card, and it gives you this discount when you use it at some fuel stations. It gives you a locator of where the cheapest fuel is. It shows all the fuel places around it, and it gives you a locator. The locator will be green. I'm gonna post it right now. So that is like the best thing that's happened to me all week, and forever, because you don't know how much money you're gonna save that I save on fuel. Now, I will never use the EFS card just to use the EFS card. You know what I mean? I will never use the EFS card just to use it for that 10 cents. Now I reload it, use my own money, and I get the crazy discount on the EFS. I'm telling you, my guys, you gotta do this. You have to do this. You know, you're saving hundreds a week. Hundreds of dollars every week just by doing this. I don't know if this has been a thing that everybody knows already, and I'm just being hip to it right now. But if you're not hip to it, this is for you. Get your EFS card, set up your PIN, set up your passcode. You might need to get permission if you're leased onto a company like I am. You might need to get permission for it, but not permission, but like they need to set up your passcode and your PIN and stuff like that, and then you end up setting it up after they give you permission, basically. So set that up. It'll hook up to your bank account. You put your bank account, your routing number, account number in, and then you get to put money on the card now from your bank account. Yep, I'm coming over there. And so I'm getting unloaded right now. That's why I'm a little interrupted. I mean, well, he's getting loaded and he's done. He wants me to come sign the paperwork. Hold on. Sorry about that. But yes, drivers, you gotta do this. You gotta do this, please. I'm telling you, I don't get no benefit from this besides paying it forward. Clint told me to pay it forward, and I'm fucking paying it forward, because this is something that they're not telling us clearly, but it's out there. So we need to know these kind of things. But if this helped anybody, I'm happy about that. So hit that like button for me, subscribe, and I'll hit you on the next video. Start reloading your EFS cards. You're gonna save so much on fuel.